This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cookie scoops, specifically the Metlux number 12 2.3 3-ounce scoop. Now these are fantastic for cookies and portion control. And as you can see, it's got a squeeze handle rather than a thumb lever release, making it slightly more ergonomic, right? Because you're not stretching your thumb out there and using just that. You're using your entire hand and squeezing to release it. So it can be a little easier, especially for repetitive tasks and things that are a little, say, thicker, like cookie batters, right? And so these are great stainless steel scoops that have a nice kind of spring-loaded design. You can see the action is actually down there. There's a little gear that hooks into those little slots and a nice little spring up there. There's one thing to note. These are nice scoops. If you try to use them with super hard, straight out of the freezer frozen solid ice cream, it's probably not gonna go so well. They're meant to be used with ice cream that's been tempered, so it's nice and soft and easy to scoop. So if you're not gonna go through with tempering your ice cream first, and that is maybe not the easiest thing to do if you're just at home, right? I would use these more for doing things like scooping batters, say for cupcakes, muffins, and looser items like that, and things like soft cookie doughs where you want a nice portion control. And in addition to that, they can be a great for scooping sides and other things where you're looking to give people precise servings amounts. But they're a nice stainless steel scoop that's easy to clean and has a nice little squeeze handle design to make it a little easier on your hands when you're doing those repetitive tasks in the kitchen.